So this is the question number 8 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So in this particular question, it has been asked which option is the correct regarding the correct usage of the tell function in the file handling. So in order to answer this one, first of all we need to be aware of regarding the tell function. तो syntax क्या है उसका? File object dot tell. अब file object क्या होता है आपका? जब भी आप फाइल आप ओपन करते हो तो जो ऑब्जेक्ट रिटर्न होता है दिस इज नोन एज फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. तो ये होता है आपका फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. तो अब टेल फंक्शन क्या काम करता है आपका? इट गिव्स यू द इंटीजर वैल्यू. जो इंटीजर वैल्यू क्या डिटरमाइन करती है, क्या स्पेसिफाई करती है? आपकी करंट पोजीशन ऑफ द फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट और यू कैन से फाइल हैंडलर. यानी एक तरह से जो आपकी फाइल का कर्सर कहां पर है, इट गिव्स बाय द टेल मेथड. ओके. सो नाउ कमिंग बैक टू आवर क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स सी द ऑप्शन बाय ऑप्शन. It places the file pointer at the desired offset in a file. This one is incorrect. This is the functionality of seek function. It returns the entire content of file. No, this is also incorrect. It is the functionality of the read function. It returns the byte position of the file position as an integer. This one is the correct one for this question. And it tells about details about the file. This one is also incorrect. So for this case, option number C is the correct one. Now there is a practice question for you. Take a note of this one and answer in the comment box what will be the right answer for this question. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding the tell function in Python, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.